Retard.
Jack?
Right, Jack! So he's gonna say a part on his bike, I'm gonna say the same part on my bike, but it's gonna be the same, it's gonna be different brands. We're talking about the same parts at the same time, just what they are, you know, for each of us. So Riley here wants to talk about his frame.
No, I'm going bars.
You're a faggot.
Okay, so Barons. We got some Vortex Barons. Some Vortex grips. Your turn.
I got the S&M Foo Bars.
Oh, not the bars, the grips.
Vans Cult grips with the same matching bar ends. No, they're Cult bar ends, but they come with the grips. I just fucking said them.
You gotta say it again.
They are S&M Foo Bars, 10 rise, really wide. I'm really shit with them, so that's all you need to know.
I got the Volume Mad Dog.
I got the Volume Mad Dog.
I got the Volume Mad Dog bars. 9.5 rise. Don't know what width, but you know I'm pretty good with them. Going down the forks, I got the Odyssey R32 forks.
My forks came with the frame, so they're free agent. I don't know exactly what they're called, but they're free agent forks. Did you talk about your rim? Okay. Both of my rims are, well, not the rims, they're custom rims, and they're laced to free agent hubs. I don't know if they're a set, but they're free agent hubs. They're nice, and they work well.
I got an Odyssey front hub signature. Don't know what signature, but something. Then I got it laced to a Haro rim, and then I got two pegs, plastic pegs.
Sunrise.
And then yeah, so moving to the stem. I got a volume stem with a volume top cap.
Fuck.
There you go.
Oh, I got a Sunday stem with a free agent top cap. My headset is just some FSA headset. It's kind of average. My treads are just Sunday. I don't know what the fuck they are. They're just Sundays. They're cool.
Alright, I got a
Do the fucking thing.
I got a Haro headset. It's been through 3 of my bikes. Holding up well. Got a Genesis top cap. Okay. Then we got some fat ass tires. They're like the BSD, Donna Street.
Hella squeaky.
They're
Great for street or car.
the 2.4.
They're fat as hell.
I got credit card fitment in the back. Okay, moving to cranks, pedals, and sprockets. We both have Odyssey twisted PCs. I got some Genesis cranks, pretty sick, no crank bolt. Got a Sunday Knox 25 tooth sprocket, guard sprocket.
Oh yeah,
then-
no pinch bolt.
Yeah.
That's dope.
And
Alright.
Genesis bottom bracket, pretty sure.
Yeah, did you say your frame yet?
Give it!
I have some free agent cranks, they're 3-piece, just same as his. I got an Odyssey solid sprocket, it's pretty nice. It's kind of ugly to most of my friends, they think it's ugly. It's not really that ugly.
Shit.
I got some Twisted PC Odyssey pedals, they're nice, they're grippy. BSD half link, pretty average shit. My seat is a Sunday seat. I did not look into the parts of my bike, so that's all I'm going to say about that. It's a Lacasa post, it's also pivotal. It's not a tripod, fuck tripods, fuck 2 tripods.
Okay, now I got a Shadow half link GT seat with a fat hole. Don't post,
You
but
just jerked the post off.
as soon as it gets a GT as well. And moving to the frame, I got a Bill Perry signature volume frame, 21-inch top tube, pretty nice.
For my frame, the only thing I didn't talk about, it's a free agent, it's nice, the bottom bracket is also free agent. This bike was originally complete, he upgraded bars, tires, other shit, I bought it, secondhand, oh well. That's how we get most of our bikes.
Then I got a fit cassette. It's pretty quiet. On my next hub, it's a Profile Elite hub. It's loud as shit. $550 just for the hub, so it's my next big purchase.
I have a free agent hub, sort of loud, not that loud, it's interesting, it's a cassette. And it works. So that's our bike check.
We're gonna do some close-ups on the bike.